I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a review of Limelight by Alcone, LimeLife by Alcone's Liquid Sunshine. It is a liquid bronzer. Let's show it to you. Here it is. So pretty. All right, stay tuned. Okay. Hey, welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is Limelight by Alcone's, or LimeLife by Alcone's Liquid Sunshine. It is a liquid bronzer. It is $28 on their website, and you get 6 ounces. Before I go further with my review, I should tell you that I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a beauty guide. I do not sell this product. I bought it with my own money. I'm not a makeup artist, none of those things. I'm just a regular person who likes makeup. I started making reviews for Limelight products because I couldn't find any that weren't done by beauty guides, or very few. So I decided to review them myself. So this is what you get. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go through the product. I've used this probably 4 or 5 days now, and I want to tell you that it doesn't irritate my skin. I have rosacea and sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't sting, itch, burn. I even left it on overnight and no pimples, nothing. That was on my body. On my face, I put it on and washed it off. You can see all these in the footage I'll show you soon, but I want to get to a few more things about this part. It is a glittery, I wouldn't say glittery, it is shimmery. So it is not a self-tanner, it is a bronzer. There is shimmer to your skin. If you put it on, people will notice because you will kind of be shining, okay? My legs are terrible. I don't even put footage of my legs in this. There are some beautiful people with beautiful legs showing how to do that on YouTube. You can watch their video. I did it on my arms. I have it on this arm today. I did it on my legs, but I'm not going to show you videos. All right, if I put it on my legs, people would stare at my legs. I don't want people staring at my legs. So this is going to be like, you know, on my arms, you know, because this gives you a gorgeous glow, something people will notice. So if that's what you're looking for, this is a really good product. I will show you what it looks like on my skin in a few minutes. There's a couple more things I want to tell you. It dries really fast, and your hands will be like super shimmery, painted golds, blah, like you're like a tin man but bronze man, okay? But it washes right off, okay? That's the thing about all of this, it washes off. Now, does it rub off? That is the question. Hold on, I forgot to get a tissue. All right, so we're gonna do a tissue test. Now, I put this on my arm about an hour ago, and I rubbed it in, and it felt dry and good, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like if you do tissue test, okay? So I put it on about an hour ago, I rub it with a tissue, maybe make it close. See, it comes off, okay? It does come off with rubbing. Now, if you just lightly touch it, even lightly touching it, okay? Now, if I just press it onto it, does it come off? It does not come off. It does not come off if you just press it. But if you rub, like if your clothing is going to rub against it, you may have some rub off. It says it won't. I saw many beauty guides show me that it wouldn't do that, but I'm telling you, when I rub it, something rubs against it, it comes off. I did have it on the edge of my clothing in one video. I didn't know if that happened during application or later on. I was guessing application, but that's why I designed the rub test. Okay, so let's go look at my videos. I've got a bunch of footage. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll get back to you. Shiny. So we're gonna be really careful because I had kind of tried this out like when I first got this stuff, and I looked like a friggin' disaster, like I had mud all over my face. I'll take a tiny little bit and apply it, and let's try it. All right, so you open up, looks like this. I'm gonna take a tiny little bit. I'm gonna take this, put it on the back of my hand, literally a pea-sized amount there. I'm gonna take this little bit and I'm gonna start rubbing it in my skin. Let's see, I am moisturized this morning and I have sunscreen on. On skin, you can see, it really does look nice. It kind of blends in, it seems. I will like take pictures outside and see if you can see like a delineation mark. Okay, so here's my final look. I can't say I'm that pleased with it because I look like hell, but I think it's just like lack of sleep and water. But it's a lot more bronzy here. In place, it washes off your hands really well. I always have my elastic on. And in some places where you didn't massage it in right, it just kind of get like really bronze, like shimmery gold and really beautiful, but like not what you want your skin to look like Tin Man or something. But but then I just rubbed that out, and then I went back over with a little Shinto 2 foundation, and it is what it is. A couple errands to run. Okay, so it's been like 9 hours, and this is what's left. And you know, it's like really hard to tell if it's still on. I think it is. My husband never even saw it in the first place. So we're gonna use a wipe and take it off and see if it actually lasted these 9 hours. Okay? All right, so, I mean, obviously there's still a ton on. So 9 hours, it lasts. I had a different shirt on, you know, I made dinner. Oh, I made dinner. I had 3 glasses, 3 shots of limoncello and a glass of wine. And I brought a glass of wine down. Oh, is it there? Shh, everybody's listening. All right, well, I'm gonna finish my wine, watch some TV, and take a shower, because look at that. There's a lot left on my face and everything. Okay, so you saw the last attempt at using liquid bronzer, Liquid Sunshine, and I was very pleased with it. My husband was like, you don't look any different. So let's try and apply it on my one arm, I think. Am I gonna look ridiculous one arm all day? It really looks like bronzer, not like self-tanner. So I'm gonna tell you, on my arms, I feel like it looks ridiculous. Are you ready to see it? All right. All right. One arm, one not. Look, see how much is on my hand? That will wash off. So actually, as I wash my hands all day, like 100 times, because I do, my hand will become less done. So I'm guessing it's not so much for your lower arm. Maybe if I was wearing a sleeveless thing, I could go up and use it there. But we will, so let's see, can you see? Okay, I am in the bright sunshine, and I've got one arm bronze and one arm not. And I don't know if you can see it, and I'm hoping you can catch it. It is very shimmery. Okay, I'm in the middle of final editing, and I can't show you how it looks on my arm in the glitter, how it shimmers or glitters or whatever. And I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try filming this again. Here's my arm. And here's a dog. And here's my arm. And here's a dog. Can you see the shimmer? I mean, it is very pretty, but it is a sparkly. I'm sparkling in the sunlight. You don't see it in the house, but you definitely see it. There's Cora. Okay, that's my footage. So you saw what it looks like outside, on my face, my arms. It looks good. It is subtle and it's buildable. I want to tell you, work in small sections because it does kind of dry rather fast, and then just use small amounts. Also because like if you scoop too much, I mean like pea-size amounts, do not use more than that. Oh, one last thing. Of course I have a dupe for you. I almost always have a dupe. That's like one of my goals. But this dupe for you is not less expensive. Actually, Limelight by Alcone is the best deal. Ofra has a vitamin C bronzer that is absolutely identical. Here, look. Identical in ingredients. Absolutely 100% identical. And it costs $29 for 4 ounces. This is $28 for 6 ounces. You are getting a deal. If you want a liquid bronzer and you like the Ofra one, you're getting a hell of a deal with Limelight by Alcone. Okay, my final thoughts. I'm not a person who goes out to nightclubs or anything like that. I don't bronze daily, well, usually, but I do like occasional bronzer. I actually like this idea. It's a lot of fun. Like I've got graduations and some parties this summer. I think I will use it on my arms. You have to be careful. It doesn't get streaky, but if you're not careful with your application, you will have streaks and you'll have like some really, really shimmery spots, but you know, like on your elbows. So, you can rub it off. Like I said, it rubs off and it washes off easily. Would I buy it again? I feel like this is going to last me a long time, and I don't know that I would do it. If I had an event that I wanted to wear this to, by all means, I would buy this again. It's a fun product. I mean, makeup's fun, right? And this is a fun product, so get yourself some if you want to look shimmery and shiny. And really, you know, I watched a bunch of videos that said it's not shimmery and shiny. It is shimmery. In the sunlight, it's like you're like glistening. Okay, so enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want more reviews of Limelight by Alcone products, and then I do one of those a week typically, and then something stupid and fun for myself. So subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.